We're keeping an eye on the bald eagle's nest in Big Bear. You can see it's pretty empty. There's no sign of Jackie and Shadow after last night's fireworks show over Big Bear Lake. There were calls to cancel the show this year after eaglets Sunny and Gizmo flew from the nest last month. A petition gained more than 40,000 signatures. The Friends of Big Bear Valley nonprofit says Jackie and Shadow were seen together in the nest last night, but they both left when the show began and have not been seen or heard nearby since. They say in the past, Jackie and Shadow have stayed away from the nest for as many as 6 days following the annual fireworks show.